Hello and welcome to this Prospect 365 CRM video, and today we're going to look at the division record and we're going to take a closer look at the problems tab. So we've got our Browns of Sheffield division example here, and on the left hand side if I just select problems, it's going to show me a list of all of the problems which have been logged against either the division or any contacts underneath that particular division. If we scroll down, you can see there's quite a lot of them that we've got logged here. So what we can do is we can sort by our column headings here. So if I just pick one, click on description here, it's going to sort it alphabetically for me. And I could do the same on our name of contact, our type, our status, etc. We also have our search box up at the top here. So say for instance, if I typed in wires, it's going to bring me up anything which has wires in our description details there. And you could do the same for the type, etc., etc. Now, if we want to create a new problem within the CRM, all we need to do is use our little plus there. Clicking on that, because we're already on our problems tab, will automatically take us into the problem creation window. Alternatively, we can use our universal plus up at the top. Remember, this relates back to the division as a whole. So if I select that, it allows me to make a new contact, a lead, a problem, a quote, etc. So we want to be creating the problem. So if I click on that, it's going to open up our new record window. And within here, similar as we did with the lead, we can log or put in, a new description. So we'll put unhappy with delivery, for instance. We can then select a status. Remember, a status, if you watch the lead video, this is a part of a process flow that you have to go through to get from the start to the finish. So we're going to say on this one that we'll just select working on for that option. You'll notice there as well, so I'll just go back, we have the configure button down at the bottom. So if you were an admin user, you are able to alter and change any of those options to best suit your particular company. On the right hand side here we have source, and this is just where did this customer get in touch with us from? Email, letter, phone, website. Again, you can configure and you can put your own options in there, and this can be quite useful if you know that you're getting a lot of information coming from your customers via the phone. You know that you might need to employ more people to cover the phones, or you want to invest in trying to get them to do it more through email or on the website. Next up, we have our type, and this is where we can categorize what is this particular issue to do with. So some of the examples there, we've got complaint, delivery, returns. For us, they're unhappy with delivery, so I'm going to select delivery on there. Next up, we then have analysis. So because we've selected delivery, it's then saying, right, was it to do with damaged goods, incorrect goods, or was the delivery late? So again, we can alter and we can change those to best suit your business and your system. There's also some space down here to pop a summary in, and also at the bottom we have our parent record. So at the moment this is going to be Browns because that was our division we started on. So if you wanted, you can just quickly log into the system, get a problem logged, create it, and then later on you can actually associate that with a particular contact that sits at that division. So if I just click create on there, this is now going to make our new problem within the system, and we can see up at the top here our problem sits underneath our division. If I did want to change that, all I need to do is go to change parent there, and I'd then be able to search, for example, for Michelle Jury, who I know works at Browns of Sheffield, and then associate this particular problem with her.